My friend nostalgia, I found you when I heard the sweet sound of the ones who I once knew so well. In a voice memo from years ago, we were laughing about some nonsense. Oh, how I miss those friends.
You guys, the time is finally here. We are going to my apartment to start packing. I am so excited. Basically, I need to start this video now. I'm moving in around like 2.5 weeks, and the whole reason on why I need to start packing now is because the state of my apartment looks so bad, it's not even funny. I don't even know how to genuinely describe what my apartment looks like. Like, genuinely, it looks so bad. Like, I don't even know how I got to this point. And the reason why there's so many boxes at my apartment is because I was trying to order things that I would need for my new apartment when there was sales, and I did that, but I didn't realize that there wasn't enough room in my current apartment. So now literally everything's just in so many boxes, and when they send out boxes, for some reason they put box inside of a box. So I have extra boxes that I can use for like packing clothes and stuff like that. It wasn't good for space, so honestly my apartment looks so bad. There's literally garbage of like plastic wrap that they send in the boxes literally everywhere, so I definitely have to clean that out too. But I wanted to save it so that I can use it to like wrap my candles and everything like that. So I thought that would be a good idea, but honestly I'm not sure if it was because everything is so cluttered and so messy. So I'm going to go pick up my friend Madison. We're gonna go to Starbucks and she's going to help me start packing. I think I'm going to make this into more than one vlog because honestly it's definitely going to need more than one vlog. So stay tuned for so many packing videos, so many moving into my apartment videos, and so many like room renovations and stuff like that. I'll make it into a little series. I think it's gonna be really fun and I'm excited. Also, I just wanted to say thank you to all of you guys because I genuinely would not be able to do anything that I do without you guys. I am so appreciative, and as a way of giving back, I am having a giveaway, which I will link down below. It's a back to school video giveaway. Okay, we just got to my apartment and this is the state of my apartment right now. It actually looks so bad, but we got Starbucks beforehand. We're gonna start with my clothes because I feel like that would be the most beneficial thing to do. So we're gonna start with the closet and then work our way to the outside because the outside's just making me really anxious. Like, I don't know who allowed my apartment to get to this state. Well, I do know who, it was me. And I just clarified it by I'm moving. This is the state of my closet, which is a lot more clean than the outside of my apartment. So this should be easier to clean. So we're gonna start with this. Literally just take everything down and put it into boxes. No, because you literally can't even walk. Who let it get this bad? There's also stuff in the bathroom in case anyone was wondering. Elsa? I think I have an attachment to sweatshirts because this isn't even half of them, but this is what I'm keeping. We're making progress, kind of. We have 1 box, 2 box, giving away that. Also, this is how we had to tape the box because it would not shut. This is how we made it work. This is the progress we got in my closet. I think it's going pretty well. Right now, I have another box, these 2 boxes. The only good thing about me ordering so much stuff is that I have a lot of extra boxes, but this is the little progress. We just did this side and everything up here. The only problem I'm having is I have a really hard time giving away clothes. Everything I see, I'm like, yes, I want that. So me and Madison are having a hard time with that. Closet is finally done. Please look at this. This is not okay. I went to Target to look for boxes because I ran out, and boxes there were like $5 for each one. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot tomorrow. But then of course I had to look around at some home decor that I may need for my apartment. It is the next day. I'm in the Starbucks drive-thru right now, and I have so many things to do today, but I figured I would at least do a little bit of packing. I am going to pick up my mom and we're going to head to Jersey City. It is literally monsooning out and kind of makes it difficult because I need to get boxes, and the problem is if I go outside then the boxes are gonna get wet and I would need them to dry before actually putting stuff in them. So I don't know what we're gonna do, but first I'm gonna order Starbucks. I just got my Starbucks, but it's looking a little dull. Yeah, that tastes like water. I'll drink it anyway. I just realized that my car is on empty, so I'm gonna go fix that, and then I'm gonna try to go to Home Depot. Hopefully the rain stops. I guess we'll see. I really only need it to stop for like 5 minutes, and then we'll be good. I just got gas, so at least we won't break down in the middle of the road. The rain is just not stopping. It's actually getting worse, so I feel like I'm not going to get boxes right now, and I'm just gonna try to make do with what I have, because it's not gonna be a good thing if I just go there with wet boxes, because I can't use them anyway until they dry. But my mom just texted me saying she needs more time, and I'm starving, so I think I'm gonna go get a bagel and then pick up my mom and go to my apartment. Okay, we just got to my apartment. Literally everywhere in Jersey City right now is flooded, so that was interesting. But we are putting all of mine in a little box just to get them organized and off the floor, so we're starting with that. And then I think we're gonna put all of my boxes in my closet that me and Madison cleaned out the other day, just to get everything out of the way so we can like organize stuff.
You were always overthinking every little step that you would ever take. As we grew older, you couldn't stop tying yourself into way too many knots. Just relax and feel the flow. It's time for you to let it all go. Catch the waves as they're rolling in. Reach up higher and go follow the sun. Let the breeze come and drift away. Can you feel the fire as you follow the sun?
We're moving all the boxes into my closet now, so it looks a lot better out here. So we're making progress and kind of just putting everything in here just to get everything out of the way. For the most part, I finished with the clothes for now. Right now, I'm just going through boxes and like sorting everything out. So I opened all my Amazon boxes with my mom for the most part, and we just took like boxes out of boxes because for some reason there's a lot of boxes in boxes, so I'm using that for storage. So I'm just kind of sorting through everything, and then we'll go from there. I have bubble wrap from Amazon that I'm going to use to wrap like my candles and stuff like that. So I'm just going to sort through all these boxes and kind of make it easier for them to close. Progress in the closet, doing very well with the boxes, and the floor is looking better. Not great, but better. Okay, this is all we are going to do for today, but it looks a lot better, and you can finally see my apartment. It's a new day, clearly, and today I am basically just going to go clean and declutter my apartment. I have been very, very stressed out about the state of my apartment, as you guys know, and me and my mom did just fix it. Like, we cleaned everything, and I showed some of it. We basically just decluttered it and put all the boxes into my closet rather than having them all over the apartment. I'm not gonna vlog that much today just because I have to do things with my mom and it has to be fast, and I literally have no time. So I think I'm just gonna go to my apartment and just clean the surfaces and stuff like that. That'll literally be it for today because we already decluttered it. So really all we have to do is just pack and stuff like that, which me and Chad are going to my apartment tomorrow to do some packing, and then he is also going to be taking stuff off the walls. So it'll kind of be a process, but I'm going to make this into 2 videos. So I think this one is just gonna be titled like decluttering my apartment, doing some packing. I did a closet like clean out. So when I was taking my clothes down with my friend Madison, I went through all of them and I made a little pile to donate and then a pile to sell, and then the clothes that I was keeping I put in a box. So with that being said, that is what I'm going to do today, and I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow.
From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood.
It is a few days later and I'm finally going to go get the boxes I was talking about. Me and Chad are going to my apartment tonight and I need to get spackle and then mesh tape that goes over holes on the wall, because when we were moving into my apartment, I had Chad put the wire behind the wall and we did it right, but we made the holes too big. So basically we need to fix that. So we're gonna put mesh tape over it and then Chad is gonna spackle it, because I'm going to get charged, but I'm hoping that with the mesh tape and the spackle that it won't be too bad. So I did do a security deposit obviously, so they'll just take it out of that, but for just paint it shouldn't be that bad, so I'm hoping it's okay. So I'm gonna go to the store and I'm going to get boxes, spackle, and mesh tape. I don't like Home Depot. I don't know why whenever I walk in there I get so anxious, but I did get what I needed to get. So I got some boxes, which are in the back right there. And then I got this Dry Dex Dry Time Indicator spackle. So hopefully this is the right one. I got some mesh tape. I got a sponge that Chad needed. And then I also got some extra tape just in case I run out. We are going to run to my apartment now and do everything we need to do. Hopefully we get it done in enough time because we only have like 2 hours. So hopefully that's enough time. These are the boxes I just got. So I'm gonna transport those into there. And then Chad is gonna work on taking the wall stuff down. So the TV, the little like wall decor and frames, and then the shelves as well. Also, that is the hole I was talking about right there. So hopefully he will be able to fix that, but that's currently what it looks like. So it doesn't look that good. And there's also one behind the TV.
Like hold it like this, but like from outside.
They're gonna fall on me?
No.
Chad, I'm scared.
You're fine.
We got the TV off the wall. Chad's doing the mount now, and I'm gonna start packing stuff. I'm gonna start doing the bathroom. I have this like ladder with a lot of decorations on it. I don't know if the ladder is coming with me to my new apartment, but it is coming with me at least to my house for storage. So I'm gonna put everything that's on it in here. Chad just put spackle over the first hole from the TV, and when it turns white, that means it's ready. It's gonna be a pretty big, obvious spot on the wall, so hopefully they don't question it, but at least they'll just have to paint it, so it's not that bad. This is what the final product looks like. They're definitely going to question this because it doesn't look the best. Just took the mirror off the wall, and then now Chad is going to take down the little screws that held it up. I decided to move on from the bathroom because I was getting too stressed out about that. So I'm gonna do some things for my desk that I can just easily put in a box, and I'm gonna have my mom help me with the kitchen and the bathroom because I don't know how to properly pack it. But we took most of the things off the wall. There's a few things that are still up that we still have to drill off the wall, but other than that, progress is going good. Everything is off the walls. It looks kind of sad, but everything's off the walls, got literally nothing left. So literally just have to pack everything in my kitchen, my bathroom, and my desk. Other than that, that's pretty much it. That's just coming with me, and same with that. So everything's pretty much done. But that is all I'm gonna do for tonight, and then I'll honestly probably start another vlog just so they're not too long. I know that my mom's gonna come back and help me finish packing.